going on, everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from the anime series SSSS.Gridman, which is an adaptation from the 1993 to 1994 Tokusatsu Denku Chojin Gridman. So this Gridman has a 12 episode which was aired in October to December 2018, and what I have here is a kit from Tron. So this Tron is a Chinese company, and so I have here the Gridman Hyper Agent Gridman Initial Fighter. This is from the Chinese company Tron. This one is the logo here, the SCLA, and it's their logo here, Tron. So this is my first time to encounter model kit from this company, and what I noticed that this is an original product since they have the approval seal of Chuburaya. So Chuburaya seal of approval here. So it is a licensed product, and this is a legit, not your Chinese bootleg company. So this is not a bootleg, this is an original product. So now let's check this kit once and for all, and what is this Gridman all about. So let's open this Gridman from Tron company. The box art here shows the Gridman. So as what I researched about Gridman, this Gridman's like Ultraman. But to be honest, I didn't watch any episode of this because the anime looks very not matured. It's for kids, to be honest. I don't know if you're an anime lover, even if it is kids, you will watch it. But for me, I don't like the genre. It's like for kids. Anyway, this is the Tron logo here, and we have here this SCLA company. So it says here Hyper Agent Gridman Initial Fighter, and this is from Tron and was made in year 2020 and made in China. So this is a new kit, new released kit, and we can see here the Chuburaya approval seal or sticker. So this is a legit kit, and if you are buying kits that are made in China and you see approval seal from the production, Japanese production, it's original. So don't hesitate to buy it if you want to buy it. So on the side of the box, we can see same face from the box art, even here on the right side. In the bottom part, we can see the front view of the kit and the rear view there, and we can see Gridman. And the good thing, there's this translation here, so I can raise the arm like this, it says, and there's this beam, transparent or clear orange beam effects there, same like Ultraman. And there's this laser blade or replaceable grid lightsaber, and there's this also grid caliber. So there's this grid sword there, very nice. And the other side of the box, we can see the face of Gridman can shine, or the eyes can light up due to the light with batteries that is sold separately. So there's this kick effect, flying kick effect, and this character has no sticker. So this is what I like. kits without sticker is a big plus to me. So what are the big plus for me? Number one, the kit has stand, and number two, there are no stickers. Very nice. Unlike Bandai, which is sticker heavy. Bullshit, Bandai. Anyway, let's check and open the box. So we saw what's inside the box now. So we can see here the instruction manual. We can see here Gridman, Hyper Agent, Gridman, assembly instruction from Tron, and there's this mechanical drawing for Gridman. And there we can see kneeling poses and arm raising poses of the Gridman. You can see here some accessories which we can find here in the box, and there we can see the parts list. So we have mostly ABS plastic, so this is tight fitting, or there's this sturdy poses if you are having kits that are made of ABS. So here we can see how to assemble the kit. So it's not that complicated if I'm going to judge this. And there, it's all printed black and white until here. So here we can see the full silhouette of Gridman. And there we can see some surprise that Gridman can be combined with this Mecha suits there. So it can be the Grandizer, I think. I forgot, or Grandsor, blah blah. Anyway, just put it in the comment section if you know that series where Gridman can wear vehicles. So let's go to the parts here. You have your white parts for armor pieces. Very nice. So it's open already. So it's a shiny white part there. And we have clear pieces here. So there's this stand for the beam saber or the beam effect part. So this will act or serve as the stand. And there we have clear pieces or clear parts. Clear green, clear yellow, clear purple. We have here white runners. We have light blue runners, so mostly white blue. To be honest, I like the color of this. It's very cool to the eye, and it's very, you know, it feels like I'm staring at the ice. So it's very cool to look at. And this one also blue, light blue colored runners. Another light blue colored runners. Very pleasing to the eye. And we have here blades for the Gridman caliber. So we have two blades. This is the straight blade, and this is the blade with, I forgot the term, but this is, I think, the perspective blade, they said. And we have clear pieces here for the beam blades and the beam effects, like Ultraman effect there. Very nice. And we have here purple parts here. Then we have black parts for the inner frame and for the hands. So Gridman has big or large hand here, so he has a large hand there. And finally we have this black parts here for the joints or inner frame parts. And what's this? Oh, we have here the, I think this is for the lights. Yep, there's this light included. Very nice. So I thought this is a separate thing or sold separately, but this has light included. Very nice. Thank you so much, Troy. So before we start building this kit, let's have a quick runner review here. And I noticed that this kit has too much parts, and there's this sticker messing up here. So this sticker here was I think this felt sticker is for the sole of the feet, and it's already dislodged from the sticky paper pad and started to stick with this foil sticker here. So I had a hard time detaching it because stick to each other. And included here is the light effect. So this is very nice, the LED effect. And I thought it was a sold separately piece, but it's not. So it's a bonus for this kit. So we have too much color here, colorful Gridman parts here. We have purple parts here for runner F. So this is an ABS type of plastic. We have small clear colored pieces here, clear yellow, clear green, and clear purple here for the crest. We have here runner J2 for white parts. We have here the parts for the sole of, or the dorsum part of the hand. So it's a pre-painted piece there. And we have here silver parts here, which is sprayed. Some of the parts are sprayed or color pre-painted, something like that. And I already detached this spray painted blue here. The other one was I accidentally dislodged it from the runner tree. So be careful when handling this kit, because you might actually break small parts here. So we have here white pieces here for armor pieces. So this is runner I and runner J1. Runner I and runner J1. So we have here runner H, two sets of runner H for armor pieces. We have here ABS plastic. So this is ABS, not ABS but polycap, sorry. It's a polycap parts here. So this is a nice light blue colored polycaps. We have the light blue ABS here. This is the ABS one. So we have here runner E. We have runner L. We have runner M and another runner M. So we have two sets of runner M for light blue colored plastic. For the black plastics, we have two sets of runner B. This is for the joint parts. So we have here runner D1 for the torso parts. We have runner C for the chest parts and the back parts, so torso units. We have runner K1 for the hands, so we have here hand parts here. And finally we have runner D2 for I think this is for the thigh parts. What's this plastic here? I don't know. And we have here runner A2 for the perspective blade. So it's very nice, very nicely painted with silver. And we have here clear parts for the beam blade and the beam wave here for the Ultraman wave. Okay, and last we have the stand for this beam blade effect. So we have here the stand, clear colored or transparent stand here. So this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio will build this Gridman here, and stay tuned for the review after I build this kit. Okay, goodbye, God bless, and take care.